And we left everything that we took off in the back.
Everything's back here.
Yeah. So we usually do that just to show the customers, like, hey,
It was a
we
lot
ain't,
of work.
we ain't bullshitting you. You know what I'm saying? Look, all that.
So
was
all right. So
into.
tell them what exactly was wrong with this.
Man, where do we start? So originally we had only checked the front. The front had broken shocks. It had cut springs. The ball joints were completely worn out. These had dug into the frame, as you can tell right there.
Yeah.
You see how they're all uneven? That's an old kit. That was like their
right
Gen
here?
1 kit. Yeah, that's the rear kit. So we took all that off. The one that you have now, we've actually loaded it so it wouldn't get loose, because all that was loose. Like, once we took off all the bolts and everything, you could grab that bracketry and you could literally shake it with your hand. Like, you could move it. It was bad.
So was that safe to drive or
No. Your track bar didn't have the drop down bracket.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't have a sway bar in the rear or sway bar links. Like, whoever did it
Do I
completely.
need that?
Yeah. You would never feel it like wobble?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, well, that's
I
where
like.
that was coming
I
from.
would fishtail in the back.
Yeah.
I noticed that.
Yeah, so that's where that's coming from. That's
So this
the
truck
sway bar.
shouldn't have been on the road.
Not like that.